What is your take on Bobi Wine taking his family out of the country when we are going into elections, and then he tells the other children of the other people to, be rally behind him? What's your take on that?
No, he has a choice, and that's his family's personal interests. And if someone chooses to take his children elsewhere, it is no big deal. Too, equally, those ones that are here, I don't think all his entire family, clan members are out. Those are children. I respect his family, and he has to protect it in the event he sees a future or any threat. So I have no problem, and I don't go personal. However, I call upon all those ones that are in his team to behave properly. Otherwise, if you entangle and try to attack security, or especially about the post-election violence, we are saying, as friends of Uganda, let's compete favorably, let's love Uganda, let's forgive each other, let's allow tolerance, and we do positive and serious politics. Yeah.
All right.